Why are we in Oklahoma? It's a good question. Many of our customers ask that question. Our company, Cytovance Biologics, was founded by Dr. William Canfield, who had founded a company previously with John Crowley called Novozyme. He had worked on a Pompe disease drug with the University of Oklahoma, which is where that company was founded. Later, they sold that company off to Genzyme, and John Crowley and Dr. Canfield worked together to form Cytovance in Oklahoma. So our operations group is continuing to grow significantly based on customer need. We've had significant growth in all of our sectors, both microbial manufacturing, mammalian manufacturing, and something we call flex suite manufacturing. So basically any kind of biologics manufacturing platform, we've had some experience with it, and they are all growing rapidly. So as our customers have grown through the clinic, from phase 1 to phase 2 and to phase 3, their demands for more and more product have increased as well. So we continue to bring on new service offerings, larger tanks, larger assets to be able to support our clients' needs. Good question. So the entire company rallies around all three different phases of the clinical process. So everything from our quality assurance groups, quality control groups, our manufacturing group, and our R&D services groups all play a part in that. Earlier stage products go through our R&D services group, basically through our process development teams, to develop a process that is capable of running into the GMP suites, our good manufacturing practice suites. Those processes are transferred in for our phase 1 materials. We actually will make product for the phase 1 trial. And then as we progress further and further through the clinic, phase 2 and into phase 3, we begin to add on additional activities that are needed to support a commercial process. Things like process characterization to better characterize the process, which will lead into process validation, which is needed after phase 3 before they can file for their SBLA. And then our quality and our regulatory teams will assist the customers with their filings and any other paperwork that is needed to support the FDA or the Europeans or any global regulatory bodies.
The most important factor is experience. Cytovance over the last 10 years has assembled a team of 40 scientists, researchers, and technicians in process science. Jointly has a huge amount of experience across a whole variety of molecules, antibodies, fragments of antibodies, scaffold proteins, vaccines, various kinds of biologics. A lot of experience developing processes, cell lines, strains to produce those molecules, and a lot of experience transferring those and scaling up those processes into a manufacturing environment. So the R&D staff, their experience is the most important factor. Sure. Cytovance, over the last 10 years, we've manufactured about 55 different APIs for our customers. This spans microbial and mammalian production systems. So we have a lot of experience with a huge variety of products. Our scales are from anywhere from 15 liter to 1,000 liter on the mammalian side, and on the microbial side, it's 10 all the way up to 1,000 liter scale. We support the whole range of steps that are required for API production, including biofill for clinical fills. So we do everything basically from soup to nuts, from DNA sequence design all the way to filling the vial. And we've been very successful in a large variety of biologics. Really, it's the people. It's the people that sets Cytovance apart. Cytovance is an interesting crossroads of experience. Cytovance has the benefit of having a lot of really well-trained people that come out of the OU, the OSU system, and also the benefit of bringing people from the coast, East Coast, West Coast. We're centrally located, and it's a crossroads of experience, and that is what sets Cytovance apart. Visit www.cytovance.com.